First of all, we learn on how we can install a standalone home system, whereby you only have components which you can choose to run on DC power, which is the direct current, or the AC power, which is the AC current. In addition to that, we also tackle on how we can install water pumping system. Maybe this is like a project whereby companies go for those projects. In addition to that, we also learn on how we can install hybrid inverters. After completing my course, I'll try to apply to companies where they do much solar, and with the knowledge that I've learned here, I'll try to improve the company's production, as well as maybe I'll try to set up my own company whereby I'll be selling solar components or accessories. The EU guys and the TVET, they had a good relationship, and we thank them for that.